I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must be 13 or older and complete any ID verification Roblox requires. Once done, update the Roblox app so voice features are available and grant microphone permission in your device settings. Next, open Roblox, go straight to account settings, choose privacy, and toggle voice chat on. This activates the feature on your account. Make sure your microphone is physically connected and that no other app is blocking access before moving to the next setup steps. Now configure hardware and in-game audio. Pick your microphone in your operating system, sound settings, and run a quick test to confirm input levels are clean and not clipping. Then open Roblox, go to Settings Audio, and select the input and output devices you want. Test in a private party or safe game to confirm others hear you. Adjust microphone sensitivity and enable push-to-talk if background noise is an issue, because this reduces false triggers and keeps your chat experience clear and intentional. Finish by verifying voice chat in an actual session. Join a voice-enabled game or party and speak. Listen for your own audio through another account if possible. If it doesn't work, restart Roblox and your device, then recheck microphone permissions and any firewall or antivirus rules blocking the app. Make sure your account's privacy settings still allow voice. If problems persist, switch to a different headset or, as a last resort, reinstall Roblox. This often clears corrupted settings, preventing voice from connecting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.